Hi guys, it's Kelly from Cards by Christine here with you on a Tip Tuesday to share with you tips about using dimensionals. Alright, so I've got with me here today my black and my white dimensionals. And unfortunately, spoiler alert, today's tip is not how to get the dimensional backings off of everything you own in all of your house. So, I hope that doesn't disappoint you. But anyways, so if you have never used our black dimensionals before, you may notice when you stick it to something, now typically you're going to use your black dimensionals on dark colors like black or espresso or basic gray. But no matter what you use them on, you'll notice once you stick it, you know that the back is still on because it doesn't look like it doesn't look like the color of the dimensional. Even if you put it on white, you know that the back is still on it. You peel it off, and you know that the back's off of it. How handy! When you stick a white dimensional to, obviously, to a black surface, you kind of can tell, but especially on a white surface, it is noticeable. There is a slight color shift, but it's a lot harder to easily at a glance notice that the dimensional backing is still on there. Now, in this instance, I'm pretty sure you can keep track of one dimensional, but when you have a lot of dimensionals on the back of a project and you're trying to work fast or you get distracted, you may come back to your project or come back to the remainder of your dimensionals and not quite know which one. Obviously, you can feel that it still has its dimensional back on it. But a tip for you is to go ahead and take a black marker, or it doesn't need to be black, a marker, and draw a line through your dimensional. Now, when you stick it, it's obvious that there is still a backing on it because it doesn't look like this one that doesn't have the backing on it. So you know if it's got a black line running through it that, oh yeah, that back needs to be taken off yet. And boom. Quick, easy, simple tip for you today on dimensionals. I hope you enjoy it, and I look forward to seeing you on Thursday.